Hi, this is your aromatherapist Rownak Salam, and in our pairing up series, today we are going to talk about how to increase our attention focus level by using aromatherapy. So, what I am doing, I am making a blend of all the oils that is necessary for us to stay focused and our attention level. Actually, the study shows that by using this oil, attention level goes up because these are nothing but a very needed blend of essential oils. And then I have the stone, the healing stone, that actually is becoming a favorite amongst students and people who are seeking further education. So this one, the energy of this sodalite, the rock, is very immensely powerful. So let's talk about the essential oils that what I put in here. I put in Roman chamomile, I put in rosemary, peppermint, cypress, and lemon in it, because all of them combined together in a particular ratio, it helps us to stay focused. This is not me who's just talking about it. The study shows about it, the healing power of essential oils. And this is the rock. This, if you read about this sodalite actually is very good in keeping the memory intact and organizing and to increase our organization skills and to compartmentalize our thought, our thinking process. So all of them together, these two actually will be helping you a lot in staying focused. So what are you waiting for? Let's start using these two paired up and shoot your focus up. Thank you.